Okay guys, today we'll be going over why you shouldn't use birdshot for home defense. Okay, I got birdshot, buckshot, and slugs. So birdshot for birds, buckshots for bucks, slugs are for slugs. Wait a second, that's not how it works. Birdshot's for birds, buckshots for pedos, and slugs are for bucks. Don't ask me why it's named that way. That's the way it is. So some people, there's a myth that people say you can use birdshot for home defense. And honestly, I guess you can. It's America, you can do whatever you want, but it's not very effective. And today I'm going to show you that. So we've got some clear ballistics gel we're going to be shooting with each of these at various distances. So I have that table out there at about 20 yards. So that's kind of a further distance encounter you may have. And they say the average encounter is around 7 yards. So then I'll bring it in closer to 7 yards and we'll shoot it with all three and see what it does there. But first off, let's open these up and I'll show you what's inside of each. Okay, so this is birdshot. This is just some cheap stuff that I bought at Walmart. Okay, so that's what's inside the birdshot. Just a butt ton of little BBs. This happens to be, what is this? 7.5 shot. There's clay pigeons and birds and stuff. Okay, now let's open up the buckshot. Okay, so quite a difference there. That's buckshot. Not quite as heavy as a 9mm projectile. This is I do believe this is double-aught buck. Boom, that bad boy. So that's what's inside this slug. That would not be fun to get hit with. So first up, we're gonna do just this birdshot. I'm shooting it today out of a semi-automatic. This is a Hatsan Escort. It is a Turkish clone of a semi-automatic shotgun. So let's give it a shot. Okay, it's the reason so my GoPro shut off, so I didn't get the slow-mo shot, but this is what the buckshot did at about 20 yards. So you can see it got some decent penetration here, but this isn't going to be enough penetration to really do any major damage to any vitals, especially if you had some thicker clothing on the outside. It would make it even worse. So not super great, not really what you're looking for to stop a threat. Okay guys, as you can see, that was a massive difference. Look at the penetration of this birdshot. Barely made it in. This is at 20 plus yards. This is your buckshot. So this block is 20 inches long. So it stopped, I don't know, it's probably 16-ish inches in. I got it with 4 of the 9 pellets. I don't know where the other ones went. Did I hit my table? I didn't hit my table. You can see some of the birdshot hit the table. It didn't even penetrate through this very first layer of plastic. So if that's any indicator of how tough birdshot is. That's this guy. It didn't look like it really came apart. Even with that polymer tip, it looks like, I mean, it did quite a bit of damage. But then it did exit all the way through. So it had 20 inches of penetration, and that's clear at 20-ish yards. So anyway, buckshot or slugs are the way to go. That birdshot barely did a dang thing. Okay, so we moved a lot closer, and a little crooked. Okay, so the birdshot, last time it only made it about 2.5, 3 inches. This time it made it about 4 or 5. This is being a little bit closer. But you can see even at close range, birdshot really isn't getting you much penetration. The buckshot honestly penetrated about the same. What we do see though is some of these BBs, I hit more pellets. Last time I think I only got 4 in. Now I pretty much got the whole block of 9. And you can see more wound cavities right there. Okay guys, so that is it. So that lower one with the bigger wound cavity, that is the second slug. You can see it really started coming apart. After looking at it, the first one also started coming apart a little bit as well. So the slugs go all the way through, massive wound cavities, they're pretty insane. Buckshot, great penetration. Birdshot, not for home defense. It's for birds, not for somebody breaking your house. Birds. Okay guys, so that is it as far as the home defense shotgun rounds go. If you have any thoughts, questions, experience with this, please put it in the comment section below. As always guys, thank you for watching.